Hey guys, over here I have my Volvo XC90 2016 model. This is the fog light that I removed, and previously I've made a video on how to remove that. So water actually gets into my fog light when it's raining. So I've removed it, sealed up the seam between the black housing and the clear housing. This is a auto grade kind of silicone. I hope it will last. Previously I put in those kind of household silicone, but it doesn't last well, and water still gets in. So I hope this type of silicone will work. And also to take note, there's also this sticker, this round sticker at the back. Take a better video of it. This round sticker. So mine is actually not sticky already. It is easily been peeled off. There's a bit of gap at the behind, you see. And when I remove this, it reveals a hole which water may get in from here as well. So I will get a new sticker to stick it on permanently, seal it up, and hopefully this works and water will not get in anymore, right? So if your fog light is getting water in there, there's no need to replace a new one. Just seal up all the seams, and I think it should be able to work for another few more years, right? I hope this video helped. If you like this video, do put a thumbs up and subscribe to my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.